Right. Here, given question, it's a propionaldehyde. So propionaldehyde compounds, it's alpha carbons, alpha hydrogens. It has alpha hydrogens, right? It's react with formaldehyde, and one more is medium is alkaline medium is given. It is formaldehyde is excess, right? If you take formaldehyde is excess and alkaline mediums. So first of all, we are thinking about which one you have to think. So formaldehyde is given, one is acetaldehyde is given, and alkali is mentioned. So medium is alkaline mediums. So alkaline medium is mentioned means definitely our mindset is going for aldol condensation reaction or aldol reactions. Right? They're not mentioning any delta, any heating reactions. So that's why you can go for just aldol reactions. So immediately we can go for it is what type of reaction means aldol related. So aldol condensation or aldol reactions. There is no condensation because of there is no heat, right? So condensation. So if we go for aldol reaction, here excess, here is mentioned is excess. So excess means first you can go for formaldehyde molecules. I am taking that formaldehyde is CH3, right? I am going for here is CH2, right? Here I am going for the CHO. It is a propionaldehyde, so right? Two alpha hydrogen atoms are there, and go for formaldehydes, right? Here is alpha hydrogens. How many alpha hydrogen atoms are there? Two alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Right? So these two alpha hydrogen atoms are involved in formaldehydes, nucleophilic addition, C double bond O and H. Suppose one alpha hydrogen atom is migrated here, it gets OH group, it gets a positive part. Right? Just think of it. So alpha hydrogen migrated here means it's a negative part, it is a negative part and a partially negative, or it is a partially positive part. Right? Automatically H plus ion is added here means acidic hydrogen means the carbon ion negative charge carbon CH negative part is joined to here. That one possibilities are there. Right? And one more molecule. So because of one alpha hydrogen means one more alpha hydrogen is there. So immediately we are thinking about that one more substrate molecule CH C double bond H because it's more reactive than propionaldehyde. Right? Here also one more alpha hydrogen is there. So similarly same go for it is a negative part, it's partially negative, it is a partially positive part. Right? Here one more alpha hydrogen is added to here, it forms OH group. Then and here H plus ion is removed, it gets a negative part because it's a C minus. Here also one more C. So carbon ion we're getting again negative part. This carbon is negative part is joined to where we have to join this negative part. This negative part, positive part is H plus is added here means OH. This carbon ion is joined to electrophilic center, here one part, and another alpha hydrogen is joined to OH minus means the carbon again carbon ion is C negative part is joined to here. Right? So two alpha hydrogen atoms are involved in what's the name? Carbonyl oxygen atoms. So that's why what is the product will be formed? There is no alpha other hydrogen, only two alpha hydrogens. That's why two acetaldehyde molecules are involved in this case to produce and CHO. If carbon is joined to this one means here OH groups. So carbon is joined here means it getting the CH2 and OH. Right? One more is there, that's why you can write it CH2 OH because here CH2 OH this carbon is linking. That's why CH2 OH here down is CH3. So we are getting this product. It is called what the product will be formed means aldol product because of two formaldehyde molecules reacted with because of two alpha hydrogen atoms are there. One alpha hydrogen is migrated here, one alpha hydrogen is migrated this carbonyl carbons, atomic carbonyl oxygens, and carbonyl carbon ion is joined to electrophilic center. This carbonyl carbon here also joined with electrophilic centers. Now we have to get it is. Here there is no alpha hydrogens, two alpha hydrogen atoms are added to the carbonyl oxygen of two formaldehyde molecules. Right? But excess is mentioned again alkali. So excess means it's not completed. Again we have to go for alkaline medium, basic medium, alkali, right? It is alkaline medium, alkali, any alkali, and formaldehyde. Right? If you go for this is the answer means this option also they given, but it is not correct for that. Right? So excess means again formaldehyde and alkaline mediums. Alkali they mentioned they're not given the diluted, just alkali. So alkali and formaldehyde, it is one aldehyde group because it's an aldehyde group. So aldehyde group it is alpha carbon. There is no alpha hydrogen. It is alpha carbons. It has no alpha hydrogens, and formaldehyde also no alpha hydrogens. Right? So two aldehydes, both are different aldehydes. No alpha hydrogen means in the presence of alkaline medium. So which reaction can you go for means Kenny-Serrano. It is Kenizaro reactions. Kenizaro reactions. So Kenizaro reaction already have understand that Kenizaro, what is meant by Kenizaro means. So aldehyde are the aldehyde molecules which don't have that, it doesn't have any alpha hydrogens, undergoes self oxidations and reductions. It is nothing but disproportionation. One is undergoes oxidation, another one is undergoes reductions. But among this formaldehyde and this aldehyde carbon compound, which one is undergoes oxidations? If formaldehyde is there means more reactive. So formaldehyde is undergoes oxidations. In the presence of alkali, it forms salt. CHC double bond O minus because they're not mentioned alkali, either sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. That's why formate ion plus. So this is undergoes oxidation means what is another aldehyde molecule? No alpha hydroxide undergoes reductions. Reduction means aldehyde group is converted into alcohol functional groups. So what is the other product means? CH2OH C, here is CH2OH, here is CH2OH, here is CH3. This is the final product, right? So here recently in JEE 2025 January session they mentioned this question. They are given this type of questions. If any excess is mentioned means there is a further it will be reacted. If you go for any other reactions like same like this, if you go for acetaldehyde is given that CH3, right? C double bond O, right? Here if you go for CH, right, plus excess formaldehyde is excess mention is concentrated base or base is given, alkali or basic medium is given, right? Formaldehyde it is in excess. If you go for excess means how it is reacted, three alpha hydrogen atoms are involved here. That's why what is our product will be from three alpha hydrogen is involved means CHO. Here is three alpha hydrogen atoms are involved means this hydrogen added here, this carbon is joined here, so that's why it getting the CH2OH. Here also CH2OH. Here also we are getting that CH2OH. So this is the final products. So like that we have to understand this concept. If you take any excess aldehyde with any aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen means, so compulsory we have to think it like all alpha hydrogen atoms are added to the carbonyl oxygen atoms, and the carbon ion carbon negative charge is joined to electrophilic centers, right? So how many alpha hydrogen atoms are, that much addition will be taken, that number of molecules. And how many molecules are involved means three molecules. Sometimes they'll ask the question for numericals. How many formaldehyde molecules are involved in this aldol? If you take excess, if you go for here excess, how many formaldehyde molecules are involved? Right, here a total is 2. It is further followed by one more is oxidation. Here also 3 molecules. Right. So thank you children. We'll continue for that next inter or intra aldol condensation reactions. Go ahead.